Hey guys, it's Leah, and today I'm going to be doing a slime opening of Karina Garcia's Mythical Slime, and the slimes that are in it are called Fairy, Mermaid, Phoenix, and Unicorn. So let's get right into it. This is how the top looks. Karina's pre-made Mythical Slime 4-pack. And if you like slime, I totally recommend her slimes because they're like the best. First slime we have is Fairy Slime. I think they're supposed to be scented. Wait, I'm going to see if they're supposed to be scented. Yeah. So these are scented. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Shook. Okay, so here, let me slide these out of the way. So this is how it looks. It's like super stretchy. Wait, I want to see what it smells like. It smells like birthday cake. It smells like I want to eat it right now, but I can't eat it. It's like the base color is pink. It has like these metallic colors, like these. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like it has these in it. Yeah. Okay, so let's try and make a swirl with it. Hush, Nubby! Okay, so let's try and make a swirl. Okay. And I'm going to... I know my swirls are bad. That's as good as I can make it. It's like, this is a fluffy slime. I think all these are fluffy slimes. But that was it for the fairy slime. Shug. That was it for the fairy slime. If I can get it. Okay. Next slime is called Mermaid Slime. This is what it is. That's how it looked. Okay, but yeah, all these are going to be fluffy slimes, I think. Let's see how it smells. It smells like Play-Doh. I just don't like it. It is really blue, and I love this color of blue. It's like my favorite so far. It has like these green sparkles in it, if you can see. Okay. It's soft. Okay, let's try to do a swirl with it. Okay. That one kind of looks better, but not really. It looks like a blob. But yeah, that was it for the mermaid slime. Let's move on to the next one. That one was supposed to come out. But this one is called Phoenix Slime. Don't know what that means, but oh, since it has like a wing on here, you see that? I'm going to assume it's like Phoenix is like a bird. So yeah, this one smells like Rice Krispies. I love it. Okay. It's like really red. So. Okay. Now let's try to make a swirl. Okay. That's how it looks like. But it has like red, it's like a reddish orange, and it has gold glitter in it. So yeah, that's really cute. And that was it for the Phoenix slime. Now let's move on to our last slime. This one's called Unicorn Slime. I think it's going to be my favorite because it has a unicorn on it. And unicorns are my favorite, and mermaids. But anyway, this is what it looks like at first. Ooh. Shug, stop. So, smells just like the Phoenix one. It's like, I don't know. Ooh. Shug, stop. It's okay, baby girl. It's okay. Just trying to get out of the container. It's like very sticky. Shug. Shug, stop messing with your Okay. Now this one. Look at this. It's like, I don't know. This one's my favorite. Like, it has like, it's like wet. I don't even know why. It's hard. It's not even like stretchy. That's supposed to be my favorite, but I guess not. Here. Shug. Sugar. Okay. So this is how it looks. It's like a lightish purple with purple sparkles in it. Shug. Kuna. Shug. Stop. Okay. Feels good. Well, now that I got it like mixed, it feels pretty good now than it did. But okay. So that was the unicorn slime. So my favorite out of the fairy mermaid, phoenix, and unicorn slime. And I have to say it was the fairy one because it because the smell was very good. It smelled very good. And it just smelled, that's why I like it, because it smelled really good. But other than that, that's the end of the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed, so bye!